Hello my friends, welcome to Incidental Electronic channel, and today we will try to fix annoying issue with these Logitech G933 headphones. So these guys are so old, they're constantly falling out. So this one is still kind of holding, but this one is annoying me as hell because it got ripped like this and falling out all the time. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace them. So, and as a suitable replacement, also they shed some black stuff. I got this Geekria replacement pads for Logitech, blah blah blah. So they apparently fabric matched replacement pads for various headphones made by Logitech. And now we're gonna see how good are they, because sometimes it could be not as good. Alright, they could quite. Oh, they have some extra tools here. Alright, let's see. Okay, that seems like a lifter for screens. Warranty, some kind of another. What is this? I fixed it. Yeah, right. That's a good. Again, that's actually quite interesting sticker. I like to keep it around. Maybe I have an idea. But I'm not gonna tell about it right now. Okay. So let's see what kind of headphones are. Earpads are these. Headphone replacement. Yeah, this is really dinky. So this material inside, it's really hard to see actually. This material inside, it's like a mesh. It's so much better here, nicer. This one is quite dinky. I don't know. This one is good. That kind of rubber thing. Okay, so let's try this one to put back on. Hope it's gonna be easy. So you do, I guess you just use this tool kind of to do this. I assume you start on one side. You start, for example, in the bottom. It's kind of the easiest, like you start in the bottom like this, and then you take this tool. It's very similar how you put, for example, bicycle tire on, which is not easy process as well. And because sometimes it's super tight depending on what's the size of your tire to put it on the rim. It's very similar process and same annoying. Oh, I probably need to zoom out a bit, maybe add more light. Jeez, come back. Hope it's gonna be possible. I have to think, maybe there is a better way of doing this, not just like this is too fiddly. And you have to hold it on another side, not to lose it. It's very, very fiddly. I hope it's gonna stay, because there's also another problem that when you are putting them on and off, you're not always like opening them fully, and you're just essentially dragging it over your ears, and it's obviously catching, and it actually feels like better to just use your. Okay. Well, seems to be, I don't know, seems to be alright. I'm just wondering, should I just wash them first? You know what? I'm gonna wash them first before I start using them, but for now I'm gonna just put them on both sides and then wash them later. So this is gonna be old. So this one is actually stays much better, this side. Yeah, but let's just replace this. I'm also wondering, what if there is a better way? For example, unscrew. Let me try that. Just unscrew the thing completely and find Phillips one. Oh no, forget it. Won't be possible because I won't be able to screw it back in. Okay, so let's repeat the procedure. So let's do this. Start from the bottom. All right, and actually it's easier to use your fingers, it seems like. For example, let's go here. Just like this, yeah, it seems like it's way easier to use your fingers than actually use that fiddly tool. At least have enough dexterity here. And that's how I was, yeah, way easier. Yeah, it's way easier to use your just pinch than use this fiddly tool. That's it, it's done way faster than I was. Okay, let me try it on my head. Yeah, not too bad. I just try to drag it from my head like this. You know, not like this nicely, but just drag it, and it stayed on. So that's very important. So I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna wash them. So who knows, right? What kind of chemicals or any other particulates are here? I'm gonna wash them in hot water with soap. Luckily, we have a summer, so this thing gonna dry super quick. And as you see, it's already have some dandruff on the black thing. So blue ones would be better, but they don't sell blue. So this was quick review unboxing of Geekria QuickFit mesh fabric replacement for earpads for Logitech G533, G933, G435 and yada G935 and few others compatible ones. And I think these are not compatible with my G920 because of the little bit different shape. I've tried. I have some extra from G20 and they are not compatible. They don't work here. Alright guys, this is gonna be it. Thank you for watching. If you need replacement for your headphones, I think this is gonna work. Yeah. Please stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe. Ciao.